Just did the feature for the Mini GT Mercedes Actros with the Maersk container. In my opinion, this is one of the best Mini GT casting and also the highlight for 2020. A very heavy casting with majority of the parts in diecast. If you missed the video, you can always click on the card above. And today's feature is the Mini GT add-on, the 40-feet Evergreen container in 1:64 scale. Just like the Maersk container, it looks very realistic. You can see the actual container on the packaging, a very heavy casting as well because it's all die cast. Behind it states, full die cast, no plastic parts, detailed decorated interior and exterior replicated from original container, primer white walls with imitate wood flooring. On the base, you can see the TSM authentication sticker and also the contact for Mini GT. It's a very solid block of die cast in 1:64. The corrugated textures on this container is very nice. The evergreen color is also matched to the actual container. On the base, you can see the Mini GT logo. The evergreen markings on the container is also very realistic. Tons of details on the opening doors, very impressive. Interior is huge and spacious for a couple of your 1:64. The Evergreen 40-feet container is totally compatible with the Mercedes-Benz Actros. Looks very impressive and very realistic. You can stack them up as well. With just very simple alignment, it's a perfect backdrop for your diecast photography. A very solid diorama, and also one of the best accessories in the diecast market. These 40-feet containers are hit with collectors because of its realism as well as the weight. Looking forward for more Mini GT container release, more Mini GT unboxing coming, and remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!